Hey friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Do you want to see a quick way of how to draw maybe slats on a wall without doing a texture and having control of the spacing of these slats and having it fully 3D? Let me show you how I do this. Let's get started. First off, I'm going to delete this, and as you noticed, it's all one object. I've selected this wall, and I'm going to show you that I've checked. I'm in Chief Architect Premiere version X14, by the way. I've checked no room moldings interior. I believe 13 added this concept that you could control the moldings by the individual wall. So had this question posed online over the weekend, and I wanted to play with it. The idea of doing it as a custom door. Well, it doesn't need to be a door at all. You can just do it as a cabinet. Let's go into the cabinet details, and I'm going to uncheck countertop and uncheck toe kick. I'm going to just quickly go here and delete the drawer, and I'm going to delete the door as well. I'm going to go to the back and say none, and I'm going to go to general again and say this is just 3/4 of an inch deep. All I'm going to get then is the face itself. Back to the front side back, we're going to go to the front and delete the separation here and delete the separation there. Can you start seeing what's going on? If I go to box construction, I left it as framed, by the way. You can then adjust the slats, and let's click OK, drag that to the top, move it all the way into the corner, and pull this the width of the wall. Now let's open this up, and I'm going to go to front sides back again and start splitting this opening and equalizing it. So I'm going to split several times. And go to my layout, horizontal, and equalize. You can then control go back to 1.5" slats. Let's go back to the front sides back and split several more times. When I click on this opening here, I see that it might be difficult for you to see, but this is highlighted. That opening is highlighted, which means I can split it several times until the split vertical is gray and I can't split it anymore. So then I'm just going to go up to the horizontal and equalize it. And there you've got an actual 3D object that can show shadows, as you can see. You can control the width of them. You can add or delete any more openings so that the spacing is correct. And in X14 now, you can dimension to the opening. So let's locate manual, and to the cabinets you can dimension to the openings. So if you want to draw a dimension across there, you can actually see what those dimensions are. All right. Something's off about this one, 6 5/8 to 7 1/2. I'm not sure why that is, but you get the idea of how to quickly, in less than 5 minutes, even explaining it, I've showed you how we can do that. Sure beats the wall material region option. You could do that and just multiple array across there, but then you've kind of got to manually figure out what that spacing dimension is across there. So again, cabinet tool. I've just taken off the countertop and the toe kick, removed the door, made those openings, removed the top and bottom separations, set it up for the height and width that we wanted, and just added openings. Again, framed construction. That way you can define the width of the separation, and it's all set. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tip. If you do like this and learn something new, please click like and subscribe down there and get new tips each week as I drop these. Otherwise, have a great week. Thanks again.